Right, ma. Now we are looking at 41 to 45. Ma. The table given below shows the number of boys and girls, five different streams of college. Ma. Boys and girls information, BTech, BSc, and MSc, BCom, and MCom. Ma. 41. What is the ratio of the number of boys in BTech and BSc together to the girls in BSc? Ma. Boys, BTech, and BSc. Ma. Boys, BTech, and BSc. 120 plus 160. Ma. 280. 280, and together to the girls in BSc ma, BSc girls is nothing but ma 240. 240. Question asking ma ratio, anyway 0 gets cancelled ma, 4 sevens and 4 6 ma, nothing but ma the ratio is 7 is to 6 ma, obviously option B ma, option B. Next. 42. Total number of students in MSc is how much percent more or less than the boys in BCom? So total number of students in MSc ma, students nothing but boys and girls together. MSc ma 240 plus 400 ma, nothing but 640. That is how much percent more or less than the boys in BCom? BCom boys ma 320. So if you observe ma, by observation we can teach ma for 320 it is double. Double nothing but ma obviously 100 percentage more ma, 100%. But 100% is not in our options ma, so none of these. Next. 43 ma. What is the average number of girls in MSc, BCom, and MCom to ma? Girls average ma, MSc, BCom, MCom ma. These three ma. 4, 520, 520, 600, 900 ma. So 900 average ma by three streams. For 900 by 3 nothing but ma 300. Option A. What is the difference between the total number of students in BTech and the same in MCom? Students ma, students nothing but boys and girls together ma. BTech and MCom ma. BTech 120 plus 480 ma, 500 600, and MCom last one ma, 3 4 480 560 ma, 600 560. Question asking difference ma, nothing but ma 40. Option C ma. Next. 45. What is the total number of boys in BTech, BSc, and MSc together ma? Question asking ma boys total ma. BTech, BSc, MSc, BTech, BSc, these three ma. So 200, 400, 440, 500, 520 ma. 520 nothing but option A ma. Option A. Next. 46 to 50 ma. Answer the questions ma. A shopkeeper sold only two types of bags, two types of bags and handbags. So school bags. A shopkeeper sold only two types of bags, that is handbags and school bags, on different days of a week. The line graph below shows the total number of bags and sold percentage of handbags. This percentage is indicating only for handbags. Handbags sold out of total number of bags sold. So percentage were indicating only handbags. Remaining obviously like school bags. Right? Now 46. What is the total number of handbags sold on Monday and Tuesday together? Handbags. So Monday total 400, in that 60% is nothing but 240, plus Tuesday total fan in that 40% nothing but 200. 240 plus 200 440 option B option B. Next. What is the ratio of the number of school bags sold on Tuesday to the same of Thursday Tuesday school bags Tuesday handbags 40%, school bags 60%. 60% of 500 nothing but 300 is to Thursday. Thursday Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday Thursday fourth one 75% handbags means 25% school bags nothing but one fourth is nothing but 200. So nothing but what is the ratio 3 is to 2. Option A Next. 48. Number of handbags sold on Wednesday is how much percent more or less than the same on Thursday Talking about handbags only Wednesday handbags 80%, nothing but 240. That is how much percent more or less than the sold on same on Thursday. 75%, nothing but 3/4 of 800, nothing but 600. Compared to this it is less. How much less 360 less compared to 600. To get percent into anyway, by looking we can say 60%. Option B 60%. Next. 49. What is the average number of school bags sold on Tuesday and Wednesday together? School bags, talking about school bags, Tuesday Tuesday ma 40% handbags means 60% school bags ma 60% nothing but ma 300. And next ma Wednesday 80% handbags 20% of school bags ma 20% nothing but ma 60. So overall ma 360 by 2 360 by nothing but ma 180 ma. Option C. Next ma 50. What is the difference between the number of school bags sold on Thursday and Friday ma? Talking about ma school bags. Thursday school bags ma. Thursday 75% handbags, obviously 25% school bags ma. Nothing but 1/4, that means ma 200. And Friday 40% handbags, nothing but 60% school bags ma. 60% of 600, nothing but ma 360. 200 360 ma. Question asking difference ma. Difference nothing but ma. What is the difference ma? 160. 160 means option D. Option D ma. Right ma. Next. These are ma simplifications ma. Question mark equal 30% of 40% of it ma. So 30% of 40% nothing but it is ma 12%. 10% is 4 ma. 30% nothing but 12%. So we require ma 12 percentage of 800 ma. 12% nothing but for 12 eights ma 96. 96 ma. Option obviously option A ma. 96 ma. Next. 70 into 3 plus 42 into 4 ma. 70 into 3 nothing but ma 210. 210 plus 168 ma. 210 plus 168 ma 378. 378 minus 234 ma. Nothing but ma 444 ma. 144. 144 nothing but ma. Option B. Next. Question mark percent of 6 ma. Nothing but it is ma 6 times ma. Obviously 6 times of that ma. So in the same ma 15 tens 150 and 150 how much ma 300 ma. So 300 ma with cancel ma 6 ma 300 by 6 nothing but ma 50. Option D ma. Option D. Otherwise ma it is 150 150 300. 300 is nothing but half of 6 nothing 50%. In that way also we can give the answer ma. 20% of 240 plus 50%. 20% ma 24 and 24 ma 48. 50% nothing but ma half 140 ma. So obviously 2 188 ma. Next one. Question mark minus 15% of ma. Here 25% nothing but ma 1/4. 50% nothing but ma 1/2 ma. So 1/4 and half ma nothing but 1 by 8 ma. So 1 by 8 into 576 ma. So here ma 8 7 are 56. 16 ma 8 2s ma nothing but 72 times ma. So 15 into 4 ma 60 minus 60 becomes as plus ma. 72 plus 60 nothing but 132. Next. Here ma in both the cases ma 6 is common. 6 we can take as a common. Otherwise ma normal simple number also we can multiply very easy ma. 72 plus 60 ma 132 minus 36 ma. 132 minus 36 nothing but ma 132 minus 36 is how much ma 96 ma. Next. 25 square minus 15 square ma nothing but a square minus b square format. Otherwise ma we can follow normal with a 625 minus 225 ma nothing but 400 ma. 400 by 20 ma. 400 by 20 is equals to 20 ma. In both the cases ma 5 is common. By taking 5 as a common ma 90 plus 35 ma 125 into 5 ma 125 into 5 nothing but 625. 625 is nothing but 25 square. 40% of 6 ma 40. 10% is 60 ma 40% nothing but 240. 240 and that is ma 420 ma nothing but ma 660. 296 into 2 plus 20 is ma it is 296 into 2 ma 592. 592 both sides ma positive 592 ma. So no need to calculate ma gets cancelled. So balance only answer ma 26 ma 120. Option D ma. Next. Number series ma. So what is the wrong number ma? We should identify that ma. 24, 26, 32, 44, 72, 94. If you take the difference ma, plus 2, plus 6, plus 12, 50, 22, 28, 72 ma 80, 14 plus 8 ma 22. If you observe ma 2 to 6 ma, if you observe the difference here, 4 difference is there. Here ma 6 difference. Obviously next difference should be 8 ma. If it is 8 ma, 12 plus 8 20. If it is 20, 44 plus 20 ma, 44 plus 20 nothing but ma 64. If in case 64, 10, 20 plus 10 ma 30. 64 plus 30 ma 94 was satisfying ma. Obviously 72 is the wrong number ma. 72 nothing but ma option B. Option B. Next ma. 132, 532, 732, 832, 882 and 932 ma. If you observe ma 132, 532 difference is 400. It is difference is ma 200. Difference is 100. Difference is 50 and difference is 882, 932 ma difference is 50. So difference was becoming half, 4 and half, 200, half 100, half 50. So next difference should be 25. So 882 plus 25 ma, 882 plus 25 ma, nothing but ma, it is a wrong number. 932. Next ma. 5400, 900, 187. So by looking we are getting the idea ma, it is 6 times, 5 times, 5 times, 6 times, is it clear? But for 75 exactly not ma. It is ma 2 times. So obviously if 2 times means here 5 and 6 ma, obviously next should be 3 times and next should be 4 times. So 7 and half into 2 ma 15, okay. 15 into 3 ma 45. If it is 45 ma, if it is 45 into 4 ma 180. Obviously 75 is the wrong number ma. 75 nothing but ma option E. Option E ma 75 is the wrong number. Next. 126, 270, 342, 380, 396 and 405. If you see the difference ma, 126 and 270 ma, difference 130, 144 difference is there. Here 270 ma 30 plus 42 ma 72 difference. 50, 38 difference. 16 difference and 396 and 405 ma 9 difference is there ma, 9 difference ma. Now if you observe ma here 144 half of 144 72 ma. So in case half of 72 ma 36, half of 36 is 19, sorry 18, half of 18 is ma 9, that is okay ma. So mistake here only there ma. So 342 it should not be 38 ma, 342 plus 36 ma, that means it is a wrong number ma. So 380 is the wrong number. Option A ma, option A. 11, 12, 21, 46, 98 and 176 ma. See the difference ma. 11 to 12 the difference is 1. Here ma 9 difference. 21, 5, 25 difference. To 52 difference. 78 difference ma. Now by observing ma, these are the 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, squares of odd numbers pa. So next should be 7 square and next should be 9 square pa. 7 square is how much pa? 49. If it is 49, 46 plus 49 ma 89, 95 ma. If it is 95, 95 plus 81 ma 176 was satisfying the condition ma. So obviously 98 is the wrong number ma. 98 ma option D. Option D ma 98 is the wrong number ma. Next. 66 ma. Mixture A contains 75% of fruit juice and rest is the water. 20% of the mixture is taken out from in container P and 9 liters of water is added in container P ma. So 20% mixture is taken out ma. 20% mixture. In that mixture, 9 liters of water is added to container P such that the ratio of fruit juice to water container P becomes 3 is to 2. So initially in can A ma, 75% fruit juice remaining water ma. So obviously 25% water ma. So ratio is 3 is to 1 ma initially. From the 20% taken out ma. Whatever the taken out quantity, that also ratio will be same. Ratio will never change ma. So but he was saying that is P. In that ma same 3 is to 1 ratio only, but it is not total ma, it is only 20% quantity, only ma 20% quantity ma. So in that ma, what you are saying ma, if 9 liters of water is added, then the ratio is becoming 3 is to ma. So whenever only water ma, that is 9 liters is added, the ratio is becoming ma 3 is to 2. Now obviously fruit juice is not added ma, whatever the only water is added. So these two parts was becoming because of water ma. So how many liters extra ma? 9 liters extra. How many parts extra ma? 1 part extra. So 9 liters add చేయడం వల్ల 1 part increase అవుతుంది. Obviously 1 part is equals to 9 liters ma. So total 4 parts. 4 parts is nothing but 36 liters ma. This 36 liters is not total quantity ma. That is equivalent to 20 percentage only ma. That is equal to 20%. So this 36 liters is equals to 20% only ma. Total means 100%. Nothing but 5 times ma. That 6 5 180 ma. So total quantity 180 liters. But question not asking total ma. Question asking ma. Find the initial quantity of water. Question asking ma water quantity only. So water is how many parts ma? 1 part out of 4 parts ma. So 1 out of 4 ma. 1 out of 4 in 180. Nothing but ma 40. 45 ma. Option C ma. Option C ma 45 liters ma. Next. A can complete a work in 24 days and 25% more efficient than BMA. So obviously A and BMA efficiency ratio. A was having 25% more. Nothing but 5. B is 100%, A will be 125. So efficiency ratio is 5 is to 4. Then days ratio will be 4 is to 5. A was taking 24 days ma. 4 parts is equals 24 days ma. Then 5 parts equals to 30 days ma. So B can complete the work in 30 days. But the question asking ma, A and B started the work together and A left 12 days. A left after 12 days. The remaining work is completed by B along in X days. Find the value of X. So both of them work for 12 days. After that A is left. So 24 and 30 LCM 120. So total work is 120 units. Per day 24 5 times, 30 4 times. Per day he can do 5 units, he can do 4 units. Together 9 units. Every day they are doing 9 units, but they work for 12 days. So 12 into 9 ma, 12 into 9, 108 units are finished. Out of 120 ma, 108 units are finished ma. So still how many units are balanced ma? Still ma, sorry, 120 34 24 5 ma, right ma, 24 5 120 ma, 34 120 ma. So 9 units are finished ma. So after 12 days ma, so 108 units are finished. Still how many units are there ma? 12 units are balanced. These 12 is doing by B ma. These 12 done by B. In how many days? Question asking ma. Every day he can do 4 units. To 12 plus ma, only 3 days ma. Obviously answer is option A ma, 3 days. Next ma. Pipe A can fill a tank in 20 hours while pipe B can empty it ma. First one filling ma. Next one is emptying ma. In 15 hours ma. Pipe A and B opened together for 12 hours ma. Combined open for 12 hours and tank was full, and after that pipe A is closed. Find the time taken pipe B to empty the remaining tank ma. So first can fill the tank in ma 20 hours. Next can empty the tank in ma 15 hours. So LCM ma 60. That means total tank capacity is 60 units ma. Per hour it can fill 3 units. Per hour it can empty 4 units ma. But both are working for 12 hours ma. 3 fill chese 4 empty చేసింది. Obvious గా 1 unit was emptying in 1 hour. 12 hours లో 12 units are emptied ma. In 12 hours 12 units are emptied. Out of 60 12 units are emptied. Still what the balance ma? 48. This 48 emptying purpose ma, B was taking how much time ma? B to empty the remaining tank for how much time ma? Every minute 4 ma. 48 purpose ma. 48 by 4 nothing but 12. 12 means ma option D. Option D ma 12 hours it will take. Next. The ratio of the number of males to female in audition is 9 is to 5 ma. Male to female ratio ma 9 is to 5. 40% of females are selected. If the number of females who are not selected is 90 ma, Out of 5, 40% selected means 60% not selected. 60% of 5, 60% of 5 is nothing but 3 parts. This 3 parts is equals to 90%. Question asking, then find the number of males who came for audition ma. Audition purpose, how many male are came? Male came ma 9 parts. 3 times ma. So 90 into 3 ma 270. 270 means ma option E ma. Option E ma 270. Next. 70. A and B invested X plus 800 and X minus 12,000, sorry, 1200 respectively in a business for equal time. Both are spent same time. If B received 1200 out of a total profit of 48, then what is the value of X bar? So both are in the same time, times are not required bar. So their capital ratio ma X plus 800 by X minus 1200. Total 48. Out of 48 bar B is 12. If B is 12 means balance 36 to A. Nothing but the ratio is 12 ones, 12 threes ma. The ratio 3 to 1 ma. By taking which option value we are getting 3 to 1 ma. Just go through option verification, or we can cross also. We can cross our comfortable view by taking whatever the option. Now, if we take the options, 18 plus 8 ma 26. 26 by 6 ma, we can't get 3 by 1 ma. First option is not suitable. Go for next. 12 plus 8 ma 2000. Here ma 0, not suitable. 22 plus 8 ma 3000. Here 22 minus 12 ma 1000 ma. So it is satisfying ma. 22 plus 8 ma 3000. 2200 minus 1200 ma 1000. Obviously ratio is 3 to 1 ma. So option C was satisfying the condition ma. Otherwise we can cross multiply. Next. A, B, C invested 24, 32, 1600 for 4, 8 and 16 months respectively. Find the respective ratio of the profits received by A, B, C. Ma. Question asking profit ma. In partnership ma, whenever you want to get the profits ratio ma, capital into time ma. So while writing the capitals ma, this if observe carefully, everywhere 2 zeros common ma, gets cancelled ma. 2 zeros everywhere common ma, gets cancelled, nothing to write. And one more ma, if you observe all the numbers, can you get in which table ma? Can you get if you observe ma? We'll get in all the numbers in 4 table ma. 4 table we are getting, and 8 table also ma. 8 twos, 8 fours, 8 threes. So capitals 3, 4, 2, as well as times 4, 8, 16. Does all 4 table numbers ma? 4 ones, 4 twos, 4 fours, 4 ones, 4 twos, 4 fours. These thing only we require nothing but 3 is to 8 is to 8 ma. 3 is to 8 is to 8 ma, nothing but option D. Option D ma. Next. The sum of the speeds of two boats A and B in still water is 34 and the speed of the current is 12. If the sum of the downstream speed of boat A and upstream speed of boat B is 34, then find the upstream speed boat A ma. If you observe carefully ma, the sum of speeds of two boats A and B. So B means from boat A speed and boat A speed and boat B speed. Overall together he was saying 34. That is the one condition. And the speed of the current is 12. Sum of the downstream speed of, while downstream speed of the boat plus speed of the stream. Upstream speed of the boat and minus speed of the stream. See here. Stream speed. And upstream speed of B, nothing but boat speed minus stream speed is equals to 34. Plus stream minus stream gets cancelled ma. So both the conditions ma, first sentence as well as second sentence ma, both are giving ma same equations. Both are giving same equation. That's why we can't get the answer ma. Answer is cannot be determined ma. Both the sentences are giving ma same equations ma. Right ma. Next. The cost of cultivating a square field at the rate of 4.5 per square meter is 1152 ma. So from that you will get the area ma. Total 1150 rupees charge is there per every square meter of 4.5. That means from that you will get the area A square ma. So total 1152 charge per every square meter of 4.5. If you remove that ma, you will decimal ma, you will get the 0 ma. Here ma we can cancel 45, otherwise 6, 7, 9, 9 5s. 9 ones 25 ma, 9 to the 18, 72, 9 8s, 5 to 10, 50, 250. If A square is 250 ma, A equals to 16. Side of the square field is ma 16. But question asking, find the cost of fencing the field at the rate of 2.5 ma. Cost of fencing means 4 sides ma. If every side is 60 ma, 4 sides will be 64. 64. But every meter ma 2.5 rupees charge. So 64 into 2.5 ma. 64 2s ma 128 plus 32 ma 160. Option B ma 160 ma. Next ma. A man invested some sum 32% per annum simple interest for his son was 13 years old. Ma. Son age was 13 years old. Ma. If the amount received by him when the son was 24 years old, 4520. So whenever 13 years ma, he was deposited money and he was getting back the money after 24 years. Ma. So this time difference ma, is 11 years. That means his money deposit for the 11 years ma. After the 11 years ma, he was if an amount received ma, is 4.0. Amount is nothing but principal plus interest ma. So then find the sum is invested ma. So clearly problem ma, principal we don't know, we need to find ma. Amount is given for 11 years duration ma, 11 years ma. Every year the rate of interest is 32% ma. Every year 32% means ma, for 11 years ma, 32 into 11 ma, 320 plus 32 ma, 352. Interest 352, but he was saying ma, amount principal plus interest ma, 352% plus 100% ma, nothing but 452%. This 452 percentage is equals to 4520. We require ma, principal ma, hard percentage is how much? Hard percentage ma. So by looking we'll get ma, here ma 10 times. Obviously what is the answer ma? Hard percent nothing but 1000 rupees ma. 1000 ma, option B. Option B ma. Next 75 ma. The average number of t-shirts received by 6x plus 1 students is x. If there had been 5 students less, then each student would get x plus 1 t-shirts. Find the value of x bar. So first sentence no, 6x plus 1 students are there, average x they are getting. That means their total number of t-shirts ma 6x plus 1 into x is equals to, when 5 students are less ma, when 5 students are less means now the students ma 6x plus 1 minus 5. At that time is their average is ma x plus 1. That means into x plus 1. So just ma check that ma by substituting which option LHS equals to RH ma. By substituting which option ma, it was satisfying ma. We go through first option ma. What is the first option ma? 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 ma 19. 19 into 3 ma 57. 53. 18 plus 1 19 minus 5 ma, 19 minus 5 nothing but ma 14. 14 into 4 ma 56 ma, not satisfying ma. So first option ma not satisfying. Go for next ma 2. If you, instead of least ma, leave that least option ma, go for next option. 6 also highest ma, least leave that ma. First of all leave that least option as well as highest ma. Just check that moderate option. If not, go for that option ma. You go for 4. If you go for 4 ma, 6 4 24 plus 1 ma 25 into 4 ma 100. 24 minus 5 ma 20 into 5 ma 100. So LHS and RHS ma satisfying for option D ma. Option D. Okay, first of all ma, leave that ma least and highest option. Check that moderate options ma. If not, go for that options ma. Next ma. An article is marked up by 40% and then sold after giving a discount of 150 rupees such that there is a profit of that. In case ma, if cost price is 100% ma 100%, then MRP will be 140% ma 140%. In that transaction ma, he was getting 30% profit, nothing but ma 130%, selling for 130 ma. He was saying that ma 150 rupees discount. How much percent discount ma? 10%. So 10% is equal to 150 rupees. Obviously, if you require cost price, we should take 100% ma. Depends on situation ma. Now, what is the question asking ma? For how much price should the article be sold to gain 60% ma? To gain 60% purpose ma, you should sell for how much ma? So cost price means 100%, but we want 60% gain ma. So he should sell for 160% means how much ma? 160%. So 0 0 ma. 1% is 15 ma. 160% nothing but ma 160 into 50. 160 into 50 ma. 0 90 15 1 15 plus 9 ma 24. 24 ma. Option B ma 2400 ma. 2400 ma. Next. Two articles A and B whose cost prices x plus 1200 each is sold at 25% profit and 20% loss respectively. If the selling price of A is 990 more than that of B, so selling price of A is 990 more than that of B, then find the value of x bar. What is the value of x bar? So just check through options bar, which option was satisfying the condition bar. So CPs are both are same. CPs both are same, x plus 1200 ma. If in case as per first option ma, if it is If it is first of all 1800, 2000, 12,000, 50, such kind of options, we can go for 1800, or first of all check that round of options. If not, go for next. So round of options 2000, 1000, and later we can go for 1500. Okay, now if it is 2000, 2000 plus 1200, 3200. It is also 3200. First one selling with 25% profit, nothing but one fourth. One fourth means 800. It is profit. 20% loss, nothing but 320, 320, 640. What is saying, if the selling price of A is 990 more than that of B, nothing but the sum should be 990. We are not getting 990, so this was not satisfying, option B not satisfying. Go for option D, if it is option D, as per option D, cost price 1000 plus 12, 2200. Here also 2200. In first case 25% profit, nothing but one fourth. One fourth means 550 profit here. 20% 220, 220 440 loss. So combined 990. He also saying 990 only. So satisfying option D, option D. If not, go for next option, right? Next. The income of A is 32,000, out of which he spends 50% of it. 50% spend, kharch pettesaru, expenditure 50%. By how much amount should his income be increased or decreased so that his savings account for 20% of income, provided the amount of expenditure is same in both cases? He was talking about two issues. In first issue, income is 32,000. Expenditure 50%, nothing but half. 16,000 expenditure is there, obviously remaining saving only, right? But he was saying by how much amount should his income or decrease so that his saving account for 20% of the income, provided the amount of expenditure is same in both cases. In both cases expenditure is same. In second case also expenditure is 16,000. But he was saying that here saying that 20% savings 20%. Savings 20% unnayante obvious ka expense 80%. So this is equivalent to 80%. That means income 100%, that means 20,000. Income is 20,000. In second situation income is 20,000. In first situation income is 32,000. The variation 12,000. 12,000 nothing but option A. Option A. Next. 79. The ratio of expenditure and saving of a person is 5:3. If the expenditure of the person is 24,000 more than the savings, then fine. Clearly, it's very simple. Expenses, saving. How many parts difference? The two parts is equals to 24,000. That is clear. Two parts is 24,000. Then one part will be 12. But question asking, the ratio, if the expenditure of the person is 24 more than saving, then find the income. Income nothing but total expenditure and saving together, nothing but 8 parts. If one part is 12 8 part will be 8 12 96. Option C 96. Next the ratio, the percentages of A and B 7:5. 9 years hence nothing but after 9 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 5:4. Find the ratio of their ages 3 years ago from now, 3 years back. Now he was talking about A and B, their present ages ratio 7:5. After 9 years, the ratio will be 5:4. Here two parts variation, here one part. Parts are not equal, so first of all make the parts equal, so difference is 1. So 7:5 only. Difference is 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. How many parts? 3 parts. Here also 3 parts is equals to 9 years. Then one part means 3 years. If one part is 3, A age will be 21, B age will be 15. These are present. But question asking 3 years back. 3 years back 18 and 12. What is the ratio 6 3s, 6 2s. Ratio 3:2. 3:2 nothing but option C. Option C. Right